Chef Michael's Food Hacks. I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and today we're making chocolate chip banana bread. Oh my goodness, looks yummy. Yep, we got some overripe banana. I'm gonna put those in a bigger bowl because you're always gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I know what the recipe says. Add this, add this, add this. Just take all the wet ingredients, including the bananas and the sugar, and you're gonna do what's called creaming in one of the bowls, okay? The bigger bowl preferably. All I'm gonna do is grind it up. Look how quickly it takes, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the flour. You know, if they say add it a little bit at a time, hacks again. Just add it all at once. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this on low. As soon as it's combined, you stop, okay? Then you're going to let it sit in the pan. Actually, you're going to add the chocolate chips first because I got chocolate chips to go in there. Yummy! They're organic. And all of the ingredients here are organic, by the way. Anyway, and then we're going to add it to a greased loaf pan, all right? I want you to set a timer now. I'm going to do it right now. Timer, 10 minutes. This is one thing you hardly ever see in a baking recipe. Another hack for today from Chef Michael. You need to let these ingredients sit for 10 minutes. What this does is it allows the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients to combine, and it makes the bread or muffins or cake much more moist. Okay, we're going to take a sneak peek at the banana bread. It's at 325 because it's a convection oven. Remember, it's 25 degrees lower in temperature when you're using a convection oven when you're baking. Okay, if it says 350, it's a regular oven. That's what you bake it at. If it's a convection oven, you take 25 degrees off, okay? But look how beautimous the bread is looking. Yummy. Remember to visit our partner, Borderlands Produce Rescue, where we get most of our produce for Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Produce on Wheels Without Waste on Facebook. Okay, banana bread was in the oven for 43 minutes at 325 degrees in a convection oven, which is 350 in a regular. Now what we're going to do, I let this sit up here in the pan, and I put it up on the rack, let it sit for about 35 minutes. Now we're going to cut it. It's the reveal. And I'm using a serrated knife, okay? So we get a nice clean cut. Look at that! Oh my God. Nummy. Gluten-free. Organic chocolate chip banana bread. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember to stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well.